Stories are a real buzzword at the moment, aren't they? Everyone is saying that you've got to have your story and we should use stories. But what happens if you are not a fiction writer? If you don't feel confident sharing stories or even writing stories? Well, in business, we don't need to write a big essay. We don't need to write a big fiction story in order to make a difference with our communication. In the next Superstar Communicator Masterclass, we are going to share tips on using stories and how to use stories in business conversations. Remember to register for the 25th of May. It's going to be at 1 o'clock. Don't miss it. There's going to be some great content. Thanks for watching.